Hi guys. So, we just arrived here in Cebu and hopefully wala na yung mga aftershocks, no? About sa earthquake last night diri sa Cebu. And yep. So we'll be staying here for a few days and maybe dili lang sa kay kumalaag-laag diri and avoid the kanang og dagat kay I think naka-tsunami alert diri ang Cebu as what I've heard. And keep safe everyone. So, I didn't expect na inato ka I didn't expect na inato ka So, I didn't expect na ganun pala kabilis yung 15 days na nagstay ako sa Siargao Island. So far, I've been enjoying a lot. And yeah, I love Siargao. And now, I love Cebu na naman tayo. So, yeah. Hello, Cebu. Ang? Harap ka talimtan? Ay, nana.
Duwi kami na kanang
Sabiwa, ano?
Sigla ng BP na. Tawag daw na. Good evening.
Ano man?
Asa kayo.
Ano?
Wala na akong GB1. Bira ba?
Ah, okay. Bira. So, kakarating ko lang dito sa Cebu. Tonight lang talaga. So I'm in Cebu City. So far, wala namang aftershocks na naganap dito pagdating ko. But I think may aftershocks dun sa sa may area talaga kung saan yung like 6.9 magnitude na lindol. I think this morning may aftershocks, but So, ayun, magsistay na lang muna ako now. For now, hindi muna ako like gagala. Like, it's better to be safe, right? And ngayon, lumakas yung ulan. Yes, so far so good. Kaya let's pray na lang for everyone's safety. Yeah. And I feel so sorry about sa mga victims. Watching from SMC side, hi to Soy Soy. Thank you for the 500 stars, Rick JD. Thank you po. May paglasas pa ha. Ano pa ba yung ganap? Wala na. So I'm gonna be staying here for a few days before I go back to Manila, before I go home. So I think that's all for today's live, guys. I just want you to know where I am right now. So thank you so much for watching this live, and magdi-dinner na kami with my friends. But somewhere near lang here kung saan kami nagstay para hindi na kami abot dun sa mga delikadong lugar. Bye!